In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PayPal Pay links to accept payments online. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to generate a payment link you can send to your customers, clients, or anyone who needs to pay you. First, sign into your PayPal account using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Find the option that says Pay and Get Paid. Go ahead and click that. When you do, it will expand and show you more options underneath. From those options, select Create Payment Links and Buttons. This is the section where PayPal lets you build customizable payment experiences without needing a full website or complex checkout system. After you click that, you'll be taken to an editor page. Here is where you'll actually set up the pay link. At the top, make sure Payment Link and QR Code is selected. This tells PayPal you want a simple link and, if needed, a QR code that someone can scan with their phone to pay you. Next, enter an item name. This should clearly describe what the person is paying for, like consultation session, online course access, or custom product order. A clear name helps both you and your customer keep track of the payment later. Below that, you'll see a space for a description. This part is optional, but it's often a good idea to use it. You can add details like what's included, the duration of a service, or any special terms. More clarity here usually means fewer questions from your customers. Now choose the price type. You'll see two main options, one set price or customer set price. If you choose one set price, you'll enter a fixed amount that everyone pays. If you choose customer set price, your customer can type in the amount themselves, which is useful for donations or flexible payments. After picking the type, enter the price, then choose the correct currency that matches where you or your business are based. You can also enable quantity if you're selling more than one of the same item. Turn that on if you want customers to choose how many units they're buying. You'll also see an option to add images. You can upload up to 5 images to visually represent your product or service, which can make your link look more professional and trustworthy. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Build It. The page will reload and PayPal will generate your payment link. You'll now see a unique link you can copy. Simply copy that link and share it by email, message, social media, or even embed it on your website. Anyone who clicks that link will be taken straight to a secure PayPal checkout to complete their payment.